Established in 1964, CTR is a market leader in the manufacture and marketing of engineering and electronic products, offering a range of incredible solutions. From empowering India's space missions to powering homes and industries, from helping strengthen the security of the nation to helping you reach out and reach places, you are at home with CTR wherever you are. Celebrating 50 years of industrial excellence, we have today over 1,000 installations across 35 countries and patents in 130 countries, including America and Europe. Even as we continue to forge new milestones in the manufacture and marketing of engineering and electronic products, our core values have remained unchanged. The core values of innovation, hard work and dedication that spurred our founder, Mr. Pratap Kumar, to set up the first transformer manufacturing company in the country, National Electrical Industries or NEI. NEI pioneered with electrical motors, and soon after, the manufacturing range was extended to include pumps, grinders and hoists. NEI marked its first major corporate milestone with the CISCO takeover. The acquisition of the CRESCENT Iron and Steel Corporation ensured NEI a seamless supply of castings and fabricated transformer tanks. Soon after, Mr. Pratap Kumar got nominated to the Indian Prime Minister-helmed National Development Council. In 1958, NEI sought to become more competitive and set up the Machine Tool Reconditioning Limited, or MTR, successfully lowering capital equipment costs. The company manufactured lapping equipment, Bollinger cut-off equipment, Ballinger cut-off equipment, and notching machines required by industries to improve productivity. Since both transformers and motors use significant quantities of copper wire, the next logical step was to set up a copper wire factory. The Pune Wandelside National Conductors, or WNC, was established in 1961, pioneering the copper wire manufacturing industry in India. By 1963, NEI had become the largest power transformer manufacturer in India. However, voltage fluctuations on account of increasing transmission distances were an issue, resulting in NEI establishing CTR in 1964. The name CTR was coined from initial product offerings that were all import substitution products, namely cutters, tap changers, and radiators. As the capacity of transformers increased, better heat dissipation became crucial, resulting in the setting up of India's first world-class pressed steel transformer radiator manufacturing facility. Mr. Anil Kumar, son of Mr. Pratap Kumar, with his electrical and electronic engineering background, joined us in 1972. With the advent of electronics, the scientific advisor to the Government of India urged CTR to manufacture professional-grade capacitors for defense applications. To implement the project, Mr. Anil Kumar set up the first factory at Aurangabad in 1976. CTR became an associate company of the CROMPTON GREAVES Group in 1984, when personalities such as Mr. K.K. Noria, Mr. B.M. Suri, and Mr. P.K. Oza joined the board, who with their eminent background brought new products to CTR. Railway track and overhead electrification maintenance products were added in 1986. 1993 saw a fully automatic state-of-the-art box-type capacitor line become operational, and 3 years later, an on-load in-tank tap changer was introduced to keep pace with swelling voltage levels and increasing transformer capacities. In 1996, we became the first company to introduce a firefighting system for oil-immersed transformers. An ISO and a NABL accreditation further enhanced our image as we went on to acquire the first wind turbine generator in 2006, with an eye on becoming more self-reliant for our energy needs. CTR became an independent company in 2005. Disastrous incidents involving power transformer fires spurred us to launch a passive fire protection system covering fire-retardant paint, bandages and fire barriers in 2006. Safety interlocks were added later and was soon followed by the company's first patent for a transformer explosion prevention system for oil-filled transformers. In 2008, we extended our manufacturing to include a handling equipment product line and launched our first CSR initiative in conjunction with WANDELSIDE. Extending our responsibilities inwards, we simultaneously embarked on improving employee aptitude with the creation of Small Group Involvement Activity (SGIA) and half-yearly vision meetings. With a desire to create another satellite manufacturing hub at Nashik, CTR became the holding company of Polymer Man Asia Private Limited (PAPL) in 2009. With the focus on asset maintenance, a diagnostic product line was added in 2010, along with a transformer life enhancement equipment product line. In 2011, we established a world-class manufacturing unit for pressed steel transformer radiators in Aurangabad to enable ingress into the global market. The establishment of unmanned substations grew the company into adding protection relays and a substation automation product line in 2011. A transformer ancillary product line, bushings, monoblocks and off-circuit tap switches were introduced in 2012. In 2014, we set up our own in-house research and development center at Nashik, which included a state-of-the-art electrical laboratory with test facilities up to 765 kV approved by the Department of Scientific and Industrial Research of the Government of India. Today, we export to 35 countries and have a population of over 70,000 on-load tap changers, which is one of the largest worldwide. In addition, we have saved 42 transformers totaling 8,000 MVA from explosion. Our products are approved by PGCIL, NTPC, NHPC and all electricity boards, and various divisions of CTR are approved vendors to ABB, Siemens, Alstom, Reliance, Schneider, Toshiba, Hosung, Hyundai, Crompton GREAVES, Nuclear Power Corporation Limited, Indian Railways, etc. We are committee members of CIGRE, IEEE, IEC and an active participant in BIS and CBIP groups. Our future plans include entering the transformer and bushing monitoring equipment and the spares and servicing business worldwide. We owe our success to our dedicated workforce, innovative thinking, a sense of responsibility, and the desire to stay one step ahead of trends are the cornerstones of our business. And our team of highly skilled engineers, quality controllers, sales professionals, and marketing professionals are always up to a challenge. CTR today comprises of 16 factories in Pune, Aurangabad and Nashik, with offices nationwide. And yes, we are celebrating our golden jubilee, but the journey is far from over. For every member of CTR, this momentous milestone marks a golden beginning with a promising future stretching out before us.